Historic update for NYC construction. For the first time ever, New York City has an existing building code, EBC, under Local Law 33 of 2026. Starting July 17, 2027, practitioners can no longer rely on the 1968 or 1938 building code for alterations. From that date forward, all alterations to existing buildings must follow the new NYC EBC. New York City finally has a clear, consistent regulatory framework for alterations to existing buildings. Local Law 33 requires the Department of Buildings to update the NYC EBC every 3 years moving forward. This mandate ensures that the NYC EBC stays current with evolving construction technologies, design and safety practices, and giving practitioners a modern, reliable framework for alterations work. The public no longer has to navigate between multiple codes and decades-old requirements. Everything is now in one location on UpCodes, making compliance simpler, faster, and more reliable. The new EBC uses work area size, percentage of the building affected, instead of project cost thresholds to determine which parts of the code apply. Limited Alteration Application (LAA) permits for additional types of work, including window replacements and re-roofing, were introduced. Smaller scale renovations now have a clear, predictable path for approval, lowering costs and allowing routine work to proceed faster. The new EBC includes Appendix D. Appendix D supplements the New York State Multiple Dwelling Law, MDL, for alterations of existing multiple dwellings. The customized appendix for New York City simplifies the fire egress and accessibility requirements, so city buildings subject to MDL can use Appendix D to comply with state requirements without unnecessary complexity. Any practitioner working on building alterations or renovations in NYC is impacted by this. The easiest place to access the NYC existing building code is UpCodes. Check it out there and start preparing today.